Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our lesson today
is linear inequalities.
and our objective is
To graph linear inequalities in two variables.
great. So today we will graph linear inequalities and find the area for the solution and determine if this order pair or any order pair is one of solution or not. Okay, let us start from here. I will take this one, Yazan.
Okay.
Where is it? Yes, it is here. It is number 1, my dear student. We are here, by the way. Yes.
Okay. Is negative 1 and 4 a solution of the inequality y less than 2x plus 5?
Let us see. I wrote it here, by the way. Okay. To check or to examine if this order pair is one of the solution for this inequality. We have to substitute the x and the y. Yes. Okay. What we have to do is in here.
So mister, the negative 1, mister, is the x and the 4 is the y.
Okay, but what between the 2 and the x? There are something hidden, yes?
Yes.
It is what?
The negative 1. The x, mister. When you want to erase it, mister, you write negative 1, you want to multiply.
Yes, a hidden multiplication between
Yes.
the 2 and the x. This is
Yes.
what I mean, yes. Okay, good boy. So, Yazan said there are a hidden multiplication between the 2 and the x.
Yes.
So, because of that, I have to multiply the 2 by the value of x, which is?
A negative 1.
It is negative 1. I will write it here. It is negative 1. And what else is it?
And mister, you switch the you erase the y and you put 4.
So I replace the y here by
4.
By 4.
Yes.
Now we do some calculation. Yes.
Okay. So you multiply the 2 with negative 1.
Which
equals to what is it? Negative 2.
Yes, negative
Yes.
2 clearly. Negative 2, and then
mister, you add with negative 2
and 5.
Yes.
So
it will be
what you have, what
okay.
they want.
So the grocery wants 2 and I have 5.
So
I give them 3. No, so I give them 2 and I will have 3.
yes, so the answer is
4 less. The answer is 3.
yes. Now the answer is 3. Great. Now we put here big is.
Yes.
Is the 4 less than 3 correct or false?
The answer is no.
So this statement is not correct. Not correct. No. So go back here and tell them this order pair is not one of the solution for this equation. So this one is not one of the solution. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, boys? Okay. Now I will come back to this kind of the question after I explain how to graph. First of all, I will take question number, which one, Yazan? Choose one.
Okay, let's choose 19.
19, good. So it is y. Read it, Yazan.
Y less than or equal 1 over 2x minus 3.
Minus 3. Great. Now I will draw the y axis, the vertical one, and the x axis, the horizontal one. Okay, and ask Yazan. Okay, let me fix this. I do some. Okay, Yazan, what is the first step to draw, Yazan?
Mister, so yes, the negative 3, mister.
Which is what we call it?
The y-intercept.
Y-intercept. So this is the place that we will move later, yes? So where is the negative 3?
You go down 3 steps, which
So 1, 2, 3. So start from this, or this line or this point. The line will pass through. Yes. Okay. What is the next point, and from where we get it?
Now you start from the slope.
Yes, the slope. It is 1 rise and 2 run. 2. Okay. Yeah. Rise 1.
Yes.
1 up and 2 run. Yes. So I need this. This is the second X or the second point here. 1, 2. Okay. Now the next point is in.
Okay, mister, and you do continue. So you go up 1 step.
1 step
And then run 2.
Great. You see how? 1 to the up or 1 up, 2 to the right, 1 up and 2 right. Yes?
Yes.
Great. Now, can you opposite? Can you go down? Yes, please.
Okay, you go down 1.
1, I go down 1, see, 1 down
And 2 to
and 2 to the left.
Yes.
Okay, okay, we were like this: 1 up, 2 right, 1 up, 2 right. Okay, my dear student. Now I connect between them in one solid line. Yes. Like this. But yes, and if I don't have this, what do I have to do? If I don't have this, or I mean, wait. I have the equality, it is okay. But if I don't have the equality sign,
So what you do in the line, you have to make dashes, not
dashes
solid.
like this, you mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this. Yes, dashes.
Yes.
Okay, great. Now the most important, it was what? Solid, because it was equal sign. Okay, now Yazan, can you tell me the area of the solution here? Where is the area of the solution? It is up or down the line?
If it's less, you go
You can say less means
down.
Less means down.
Down, yes.
Down from the line. So this is the line, my dear student. This is down the line, okay? Teacher, if the line like this, where is the down? This is the down for this direction, okay? Okay, teacher. Okay, boys, okay. So I determine the area for this inequality. Great, boys. What else, Yazan? We done. We can try something here. We can take this point 0 and 0.
Yes.
And check if the area that check this point is one of the solution or not. Can you? Let us do it. This is another check or another find for the area of the solution. Let us do it. 0 less than or equal 1 over 2 multiply 0, negative 3. Yes?
Yes.
Here, from here I get 0.
Yes.
So erase it. And 0, read it now.
0 less than or equal negative 3. It is greater.
Is this correct? Yes or no? This is it is no. So where is 0 and 0? It is here. So this area, okay, this area, I mean, it is not the solution. So the opposite side will be the solution here. So that's mean our solution is correct. Yes, but we can know it from here. Y less, go and shade it down. Y greater, go and shade it up. Okay? Yes. Okay. Are you happy, Abdullah? Yes. Yes? Okay. Now, one example is enough, yes? Yes. But what I have to do now, I have to do the simple one. Maybe you can need it, or maybe you need it, sorry, like this is y greater than 2. how we can graph it, how we can determine the area of the solution. See, it is y, yes?
Yes.
That's mean we have to move here.
Yes.
Where is the 2?
Yeah, the 2 is right here. Yes.
Great, Yazan. The 2 is here. So because the 2 is here, directly draw this line.
Yes.
Now read it, Yazan.
Y greater than
Greater,
2.
up or down?
Up.
So because it is greater, greater means what?
Up.
Yes, yes, Abdullah, greater means what?
Up.
Up. If it is less,
Down.
so it is
It will be down.
down.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, if I have x greater than 2,
Okay.
I will erase everything here, here, and here. Okay, so that means I have to move here.
Yes.
Because it is x.
Okay.
And it is 2. Where is the 2?
The 2 is
Bravo, Yazan. It is here. And how we draw the line? A vertical
right.
line.
Yes.
Read it.
X greater than 2.
Greater mean what?
Right.
Right, bravo. So this is the right. Yes?
Yes.
When you eat, you use the right hand, yes? So this is
Yes.
the right. But if it is less,
It will
so we did a mistake before, you see? We did a mistake. Who can tell me what is the mistake?
Mm.
Here. What is the mistake?
Let's see. It is the equal sign. Okay.
The equal sign, because it was no equal sign, we must
yes.
do
Dashes.
yes, dashes, yes. Be
Yes.
careful, my dear student. Yes?
Yes.
So, if it is equal sign, you draw a line and you will
Solid.
be happy. Yes, a
Yes.
solid line. If it is no equal sign, so
It will be
dashes. Okay, now let us come back to the x part. Okay. X greater than 2. Yazan said we have to move in the y, in the x-axis. Yes, this is the 2.
Yes.
And we draw this line.
Yes.
Sorry, it is dashes also, remember, because there is no equal sign. Yes. Now, and the area, it is right or left?
Right.
Why?
It's greater.
Greater right. And if I have equal sign, you have to connect the solid.
Yes, solid.
It will be solid. If it is left,
it will. If it was left, it
sorry,
will be,
if it is less, and I'm so sorry.
It will be on the left, and so
It will be at the left hand, yes?
yes.
Or at the left of the line, yes?
Yes.
Great. Okay, this is the first part.
Okay.
There are a second part, yes, then. You know that?
Yes.
Okay, let me give you a brief about the second part. Here, he will give you a graph. Read the question.
Okay. Write a linear inequality that represents its graph.
So he give you a graph and ask you about the inequality.
Yes.
It is easy. Let us start. Okay. First of all, this is the y. You write y. 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 Y or x here?
This is x.
Yeah, great. This is x. How I know? Because it is a vertical line. If it is a horizontal, I write y. Now come back here. Now, it is solid?
Yes, it is solid.
And it is right or up?
Yes.
So it is greater or less?
Greater.
Greater and equal, because it is solid. Solid and the area at the right or up. Okay, so I write greater or equal.
Okay.
It is easy, yes?
Yes.
Now, I have to find the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept?
Let's see, 3.
Yes, great boy. It is 3. And what about the x? It is plus 3.
Okay.
Okay, and the x?
2.
Stop. Stop. Now, this is the x. Sorry, this is the y-intercept.
Yes.
Now, I have to move to down. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So, negative 3 over 1. So, it is negative 3. So, the answer, it is y greater than or equal negative 3x plus 3. Okay, let us do this one. It is dashes. No equal sign.
No equal sign.
It is at the
Left.
wait, up or down?
It is down. And then
Be careful. It is up or down?
it's here. It is up.
It is up. So it is what?
Greater.
So it is greater. But without equal sign.
Yes,
now.
Because it's dashes.
Okay, what is the y-intercept?
Negative 3.
Negative 3, bravo. So I will write here negative 3. And what's about the x coefficient, the slope here? Okay, we have to move up 1, 2, 3. Yes?
Yes.
3 up. And how many steps to the right?
1.
1, 2.
2. Yes.
So it is 3 over 2.
Yes.
Okay. The last one here, it is easy. It is x, as I said before. And it is to the left or to the right?
It is to the left.
Left. So it is less. Dashes. No equal sign.
Equal sign, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is the point here? Count. Just 1, 2, 3. We done.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Yazan. Okay, and I will repeat this part in the next part of this lesson, inshallah. We take more example. This is the first part. You can revise on it. Okay. If you need any help, don't hesitate to call me. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Yazan, again, and goodbye, my dear students. Goodbye.
Bye.